Okay, it's Monday the 3rd of August and it's just coming up to midnight. Tonight, Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune and Uranus will be in the sky simultaneously. At the moment, Jupiter and Saturn are up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set the telescope, which you can see behind me, to capture some images. I'll be connecting it to my laptop, which is there. So what you can do is you can watch me as I change. What I'm going to do first is change the eyepiece for the camera. That's the eyepiece off. I've got this SLR, I've connected an adapter to it. I'm going to then attach this end of the SLR onto the telescope, so the telescope will act as the lens to the camera. Sometimes it takes a minute or two, it's okay. Next job, to make sure the battery's charged up and to plug it in. So what I need is a USB cable. Hopefully there won't be spiders on it. So, that's almost ready to go. I'm going to stop the video and just set the computer up now. I've got the computer set up here. I've got the camera connected to the computer. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it up so we can see what the camera's seeing. So you can consider this a live feed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the shutter speed up, because that makes what we're seeing brighter. So let me turn this so you can see what's on the computer screen, kind of. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just telescope so that Jupiter is in the middle of the screen. Which might take me a minute or two, because I'm going to need to a little bit. I'm still here, by the way. Right, so what you can see, I'm going to need to keep adjusting this. Let's put it on one side of the screen. So you can see Jupiter. That's Jupiter there. And if I turn the shutter speed up even more, what you'll be able to see, if I turn it up to, say, 10 seconds, you'll be able to see the moons of Jupiter as well. So hopefully there you can now see Jupiter and 3 moons. There's another one there. Now, in order to capture an image, I actually need to turn the shutter speed down, and I've actually taken a few already. You can see here. They're not particularly good. I'll try and get a good one and put it at the end of this video. I'm going to do a similar thing for Saturn now. Okay, now this is not going to be too spectacular because it's the live feed and there's quite a lot of noise and it's quite low in the sky, so there's a lot of atmosphere we're looking through. That's Saturn. So that's what's hitting the back of the cameras, the CCD at the moment. So you can see it's oval shaped, and we can't actually make out the gap between the ring and the planet itself. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and turn the brightness down, or the ISO. Oh, in fact, that's pretty cool. I don't know if you can actually get that on the mobile phone camera, but we were getting a bit of separation there between the ring and the planet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and turn down some of these settings, or adjust some of the settings to make this slightly clearer. So give me 1 minute. Right, I think I've got some better imagery here. Just check this out. So it's still blurred, but you can see the separation just about between the rings and the planet. So I'm going to try and take some images of this. The time's now, well, 20 to 3. I managed to get some photographs of Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune tonight, and a really rubbish picture of the Andromeda Galaxy, and also the Cat's Eye Nebula. So I'll try and show some of those after the video. I think I'll do the video editing and photo editing tomorrow. It's time for bed.